clear change directory dot dot make directory. What's the next one? Einstein. Spell Einstein correctly. Let's spell Einstein correctly. And I did not. I think it's RM to remove. Yeah, we just deleted. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to make a directory, and we're going to spell Einstein, S-T-E-I-N, correctly. And then we're going to change directory to E-N, S-T-E-N. And then we're going to code E-N, S-T-E-I-N dot .py, because that's their convention the entire way. So let's click on the problem. If you haven't done recently or ever, you may have heard of E equals mc squared, where E represents energy measured in joules, mass times the speed of light squared. Correct. Albert Einstein's essential formula means that mass and energy are equivalent. In a file called Einstein Implement Program, it prompts the user for mass as an integer in kilograms and outputs the equivalent amount of joules as an integer. Assume that they will input an integer. Okay, so let's do our standard main triple ellipses. If underscore 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 equals double quote underscore 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 main. That's too many underscores. Run main. Okay. So we need user input, and it looks like they're saying that it has to equal mass. So we're going to say mass is equal to input m colon space okay, and then what are we doing? So we need to print out E colon, hit the F there, mass XL. What we're going to do is we're going to say that mass XL is equal to mass star. How many? Too lazy. Command copy. Command paste. Oh, we were pretty much right there. I don't even need to do that, right? Because I can go here, remove this, put in our space, put that there, and then go here, copy, paste that, and concatenate that on, and then Python Einstein.py, and say 50. Control C to interrupt that. That did not work. Okay. Because yeah, I was gonna. That really did not work. So we can't do that. So let's see what happens if I turn this into an F string. MX. It's not going to do this correctly because this doesn't feel like it is an integer. So then if we do this, that's correct. So because of that, we can actually go back to that as long as we say this is an integer. Right? No. Can only concatenate a string. Okay, so then let's. This just isn't working for me. Let's just go back to this. Put an F in front here. Mass times length. Go to here, go to here. 50. It's 15,000. That is also not correct. Right. Because this needs to be that. I think. Yeah, that's what it needed to be. Because double star is equal to exponent. So I guess we can just call this E. Let's make my life easy. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. So that worked. Oops. I come back to here, shift insert brings that back up, and then we can hit Einstein. Correct. Let's see what happens. Perfect. That one's done.